Good morning, living environment fans. It's time for another day, which means more bell ringers.
All right. Hey now.
Mr. Kovacs class.
It's
Mr. Kovacs class.
You might learn a ton.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
He's interested too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class. All right, DNA replication. This is what we've been studying, right? Helicase unzips the DNA molecule, right? It's called helicase. It unzips the DNA molecule. And then DNA polymerase puts new pieces on one at a time, matching A's to T's and G's with. Very nice, yes. Of course, primase has to set up all of this with a little primer, and then another polymerase has to come by and attach to the primer and put the pieces on. So it's amazingly complex, even though there's only 4 chemicals involved. DNA replication happens in one direction, right? From the 5 end to the 3 end, it always goes down from 5 to 3. Wow. And yeah, today in class, we're going to study a little bit more about replication. And if you have lab today, we're going to do a lab. We're going to try to do a animation like this one. I'm going to show you how to do that using Google Slides. So when does replication happen? Well, cells have a life cycle, and after they're born, they basically grow and develop. They get bigger and bigger, and then something happens. I like to call it the signal. It could be internal, it could be external, but something tells the cell it's time to copy itself, to do DNA replication, right? What could that thing be? It could be a hormone, right? Like human growth hormone is really good at doing that. It could be maybe a stimulus from outside the body, like ultraviolet radiation. I mean, it could be a lot of different things, but whatever it is, that receptor, that chemical binds with the surface of the cell membrane and tells the cell that it's time to copy itself. They copy themselves, and they continue to grow a little bit before they split. And so next week we're going to talk about the splitting, mitosis, and cytokinesis. But right now we're going to worry about DNA replication. The beauty of DNA replication is you get 2 copies of the exact same thing.